Okay, sit down. Let's go.
Mama.
Yes. Hey, sit down. Let me sit. Hey, sit. We are about to move. Good boy. We are back from groceries. Look, we have a lot of things. A whole lot of things to unpack. A lot. And look at the boys. And finally, my new refrigerator is in use. This was part of the new additions we got in the house. I already love the refrigerator because it's spacious, and as a family of 4, it's good for us.